My dad calls them Holy Spirit moments. You know, us buying this dealership and how that all worked out in 2015 was a Holy Spirit moment. Okay, now we're growing, we're busting at the seams, where are we gonna go? This piece of property was never a thought of because it was woods. And as our service department was growing and as our body shop was growing, you know, it was the perfect location to build this, a state-of-the-art 23,000 square foot body shop.
Let's go ahead and take a quick tour. We got about 20,000 square feet of fun right here.
With being a brand new body shop, the most important thing is my guys having the right equipment.
2 paint booths, now we can do twice the work and handle twice the amount of customers.
I'm excited about the expansion. It allows me to add 11 more service bays, which in turn allows me to take care of our customers a lot better.
All right, well, this couldn't have turned out any better. We've got, has to be the nicest valet area in the country for body shops. We can host about 6 to 8 vehicles during closed hours. We might play a little 1-on-1 or 2-on-2 basketball. So that worked out too.
The most important thing, I mean, is taking care of the customer, but my employees, they've worked their butt off from start to finish last few years, and you know, it's a big reward for them. It's a dream come true to run a facility like this.
I think this building in this new retail location, in this new collision center, it's an unbelievable sign of the unbelievable work that our 75 employees have done over the last 5 years.